how different is the experience on a Teams video meeting when using the desktop app, which I have open to the right now, as opposed to the web app, which you access through the web right here on the left. So let's take a look at this. So as a participant, there's not many significant differences, but as an organizer, there are some that you may require. So I'm just going to start a meeting right now using the desktop app. So this is one that I've downloaded to my computer, and so that's where I'm starting it from. So I'm just going to start a meeting. And right away, you'll see one of the significant differences is that with a desktop app, I have the ability to change my backgrounds. So I have background filters, so I can select from a number of preset backgrounds. I can also just blur my background. But in this case, well, let's just stay at the beach and keep this one. So I'm just going to join now. And I'm going to copy this meeting link because we're going to use it to start our session online using the web app. Okay, so once again, right here on the right hand side, this is using the desktop app. And now we're going to join using the web app. Now it's going to ask me if I want to use my Microsoft Teams app because I have it loaded on my computer, but it's not necessary. So we can just cancel that. And then right here, you'll say continue on this browser. So any participant can join just from a browser. They don't need the app. Let's launch. And you can see right away, there isn't an option to blur or change the background. So let's just join. All right, now we can see that here in the web app on the left and on the desktop app on the right. So the backgrounds were the first big one. The next significant one is the ability to create breakout rooms. So we can only do that using the desktop app. So up here, we can see breakout rooms. We can determine how many breakout rooms we want. And then we can ask that they either be automatically populated, so people will automatically be added, so randomly, or manually. So this would require me to choose the participants and place them in the rooms. Once you have your rooms, you can just create them. Just cancel that. Now, when I go over to the web app, you can see that there is nowhere here that allows me to create breakout rooms. The other significant difference is when I share screen. So when I share screen using the desktop app, I also have the option to include computer sound. And this is rather important, especially if you're sharing a video online and you want to share that audio with it. So you just need to flip that switch and turn it on. But other than that, most of these features are the same. When I go over to the web client, you can see when I go to share screen, there is no option to turn on sound. Right? So those are the key differences between the desktop app and the web app. And so again, as a participant, web app is all you really need. But as an organizer, you might want to use the desktop app. Hope that helps you. Enjoy your Teams meeting.